So hi! Welcome and welcome back to my YouTube channel, and for today's tutorial, ituturo ko sa inyo kung paano nga ba mag-register ng GoOnly 95 sa ating Globe SIM. But first, like and subscribe to my channel and don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell to notify you for my new updates. And if you want to learn more, just keep on watching and let's start. So ayan guys, for today's video mula sa ating mobile device, pumunta lang tayo sa dial ng ating phone. And then dito guys, dial lang natin is asterisk 143, number sign or hashtag, and then call. And then after yan guys dito, piliin naman natin yung number 8 which is yung all net. So type natin yung number 8 and then send. And yan guys dito, piliin na natin yung number 4 which is yung GoOnly 95. So type natin yung number 4 and then send. So ayan guys, sabi dito kapag nag-register tayo ng GoOnly 95, makakuha tayo ng only calls and text to all networks, 1 GB na data para sa lahat ng sites, and valid na yan guys for 7 days for only 95 pesos. And para ma-register naman or ma-subscribe, ito-type nyo lang guys yung number 1 and then tap send. So ayun lang guys, ganun lang kasimple kung paano nga ba mag-register ng GoOnly 95 sa ating Globe SIM. If you have a question, can you comment down below and don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell to notify you for my new updates. And thank you for watching!
Living life, every day, late at night, not okay.